Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Minivan is a compact, no-nonsense utility vehicle that's been designed with one core philosophy in mind: practical mobility for everyday businesses and families. Built on Mahindra's tried and tested small commercial vehicle platform, the Jeeto Minivan aims to bridge the gap between affordability, efficiency, and utility, making it an attractive proposition in India's dynamic small transport segment. At first glance, the design of the Jeeto Minivan is simple and functional, but not without a touch of modernity. It has a boxy, upright stance which not only maximizes interior space but also makes it easy to navigate in congested urban areas. The front fascia features a compact grille flanked by angular headlamps, giving it a friendly, work-ready appearance. It's not trying to be flashy, it's honest about what it is. The build quality is focused on durability with sturdy sheet metal and hard-wearing plastics, keeping in mind the rough usage patterns typically seen in this segment. It rides on small 12 or 13-inch wheels, depending on the variant, which further helps in reducing the turning radius and enhancing maneuverability. Inside, the Jeeto Minivan is a surprise for its size. The cabin is spacious enough to comfortably seat 5 to 6 adults, and the sliding rear doors make ingress and egress a breeze, especially useful in tight parking spots or bustling marketplaces. The dashboard is basic but thoughtfully laid out. There's a simple instrument cluster, easy-to-reach controls, and enough storage spaces for documents, water bottles, and mobile phones. While luxury isn't its focus, Mahindra has added a few modern touches like a USB charging port, optional blower fan, and even a basic entertainment system in the higher trims. For driver comfort, the seat has decent cushioning and visibility is excellent thanks to the high driving position and expansive windshield. Mechanically, the 2025 Jeeto Minivan is powered by a 625cc single-cylinder diesel engine or an optional Petrol CNG variant depending on the region and variant availability. This small but efficient engine produces around 16 horsepower in the diesel model and slightly more in the Petrol CNG version. It may not sound like much on paper, but in real-world urban driving, where low-end torque and fuel efficiency matter more than top speed, the engine performs reliably. It's mated to a 4-speed manual gearbox that offers smooth shifts and allows the driver to keep the engine in its power band without much effort. Thanks to its lightweight chassis and compact dimensions, the Jeeto Minivan can zip through narrow streets and deliver quick turnarounds, whether it's ferrying passengers or delivering goods. Where the Jeeto really shines is fuel economy. The diesel variant is capable of delivering upwards of 30 km per liter under ideal conditions, while the CNG model is expected to give even more savings in running cost, making it an absolute winner for small business owners, school transporters, or local delivery services. Mahindra has also paid attention to emissions, ensuring that the entire range meets the latest Bharat Stage 6 BS6 Phase 2 norms, which means it's ready for the present and the near future in terms of regulatory compliance. Suspension duties are handled by a McPherson strut setup at the front and a semi-trailing arm at the rear, tuned for comfort over rough roads and heavy payloads. It's not the softest ride in the segment, but it strikes a decent balance between comfort and durability, especially when loaded. The braking setup includes drum brakes all around, assisted by a dual-circuit hydraulic system that ensures decent stopping power. In terms of safety, the Jeeto Minivan gets a basic seatbelt reminder, reinforced body panels, and optional ABS in some variants. Again, not groundbreaking, but sufficient for its price point and intended use. One of the more appealing aspects of the Jeeto Minivan is its modularity and customization options. Mahindra offers multiple variants suited for different needs: a standard passenger version, a school van edition with yellow paint and safety features, and a cargo-focused trim with rear seats removed to allow for maximum payload. This versatility makes the Jeeto attractive for a range of small enterprises, from milk delivery and mobile retail kiosks to family taxis and e-rickshaw upgrades. The payload capacity varies between 350 to 600 kilograms depending on the configuration, which is more than adequate for daily operations. Another factor working in the Jeeto's favor is Mahindra's extensive service network and low cost of ownership. Spare parts are widely available and affordable, and the simple mechanical layout ensures minimal downtime and lower maintenance costs. This peace of mind is something that buyers in the commercial segment especially value, as the vehicle is often their primary source of income. The 2025 update brings in minor cosmetic enhancements and small improvements in fit and finish. There are now more color choices and better rust-proofing materials used in the underbody and door frames, contributing to a longer lifespan. The engine too has been slightly retuned for better throttle response and reduced NVH levels, especially in the diesel variant. While it still can't match the refinement of bigger vans or cars, for a utilitarian vehicle of its class, it's a commendable effort. In terms of pricing, Mahindra has managed to keep the Jeeto minivan extremely competitive. With an ex-showroom price starting just under 5 lakh rupees for the base variant and going up to around 6.5 lakh rupees for the fully loaded Petrol CNG dual-fuel version, it offers tremendous value. Government subsidies for CNG and electric vehicles in some states could further sweeten the deal, depending on local policies. All things considered, the 2025 Mahindra Jeeto Minivan is a solid, no-frills transporter that delivers exactly what it promises. It's small enough for city use, frugal enough for long-term savings, and versatile enough to adapt to a wide range of commercial and family needs. It's not for someone looking for creature comforts or flashy aesthetics, but if your priority is reliability, low operating costs, and practical space, the Jeeto is one of the best options in its segment. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking for your first vehicle or a fleet operator expanding your last-mile delivery network, the Jeeto minivan is more than just a minivan, it's a smart investment on wheels.